Here is the latest tropical storm Zeta briefing as of Tuesday, October 27th, 2020 at 10:30 a.m. by the Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi. So what's new? Lamar County has been added to the tropical storm warning as of this morning. Otherwise, tropical storm Zeta is continued to expected to become a Category 1 hurricane as it enters the Gulf of Mexico. Zeta is expected to make landfall in southeast Louisiana late Wednesday and track northeast roughly along or just to the east of the I-59 corridor Wednesday night. There will most likely be heavy rainfall and strong wind concerns, mainly over southeast portions of the forecast area. So here's the track of Tropical Storm Zeta as of 10 a.m. Tropical Storm Zeta is moving off of the Yucatan Peninsula and entering the Gulf of Mexico and will continue to strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane today and approach the Gulf Coast as a Category 1 by late Wednesday. Rainfall will likely develop well ahead of the system by late this afternoon across portions of southeast Mississippi. Taking a look at the watches, warnings, and advisories, Forrest and Jones counties continue to be in the tropical storm warning. Even though it's not depicted on this map, Lamar County has been added to the tropical storm warning, and additional counties may continue to be added before the hurricane makes landfall. Taking a look at the tropical storm wind probabilities, the highest chances for tropical storm force winds will be mainly over the southeast portions of the area. The earliest reasonable time of arrival of tropical storm force winds for the southeast portions of the area is around later morning or around noon on Wednesday. But the most likely time this area could see tropical storm force winds will be late afternoon to early evening on Wednesday. Taking a look at the wind threat, there's a limited risk for 30 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts across portions of the I-59 corridor. This could down trees and power lines and result in a few power outages. However, there is an elevated risk of wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles an hour for locations from around Lamar County up through Jones and including Forrest County, and down trees and power lines also remain possible, and this would be mainly late Wednesday afternoon and evening. Taking a look at the rainfall, expected storm total rainfall of 2 to 4 inches over southeast portions of Mississippi are expected with locally higher amounts possible up to 6 inches, and this could result in some localized flash flooding. Taking a look at rainfall totals, again you see 2 to 4 inches over southeast portions of Mississippi, and this has resulted in a limited threat for heavy rain and flash flooding. Localized flooding is possible, especially in low-lying areas, and minor river flooding will also be possible. So some of the key takeaways: heavy rainfall could end up being the biggest impact to the area Wednesday into Wednesday night, especially over eastern and southeastern Mississippi. There's a concern for strong winds up to tropical storm strength late Wednesday, but it looks like this will be confined to a small area and for a short duration. This is because the storm will be small and fast-moving. It looks like the tornado threat will be mainly south and east of our area. Thank you for viewing this briefing. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please give us a call or contact us through our social media channels or our webmaster email. And the next briefing will be Wednesday morning around 10:30.